Mr. Zeng, please give us the big picture on China's research and development progress with COVID-19 vaccines.
国内已经批准附条件上市的已经有4个疫苗了。
4 vaccines have received conditional market approval in China. 3 others have been approved for emergency use. There are also some vaccines undergoing clinical trials, including some being sent abroad for phase 3 trials. Besides boosting production and domestic vaccinations, we're also looking at the best ways possible to help other countries, especially developing nations. We've given aid to over 80 countries and have exported vaccines to over 50 countries. That's a total of 350 million doses. It should be said that Chinese vaccines have made important contributions to pandemic prevention and control measures.
How's the production capacity looking in terms of meeting demand for the COVID-19 vaccines?
我们的产能提升比我们预期的还要快。
Our production capacity is rising faster than we expected. Besides the 350 million doses in exports and donations, we have administered about 700 million doses locally. We're taking into account both domestic and global needs. We have a population of 1.4 billion, so our vaccination rate isn't the most advanced in the world. Many countries have a higher rate than we do. That's a concern here. We talk about the concept of a community with a shared future for mankind. In the face of a pandemic, this concept is especially true and wise. It'll only be good once everybody is good. If one place isn't safe, no place is safe.
How satisfied is China with the current international cooperation surrounding COVID-19 vaccines?
现在当务之急就是应该尽可能快的。
The most urgent task now is to boost vaccination fast. Of course, a prerequisite is to ensure production capacity and supplies, especially in some developing countries, for safe and affordable vaccines. We need to guarantee fairness and accessibility. I think a particularly effective way would be for the WHO to adjust its criteria for emergency use listing. It can exempt phase 3 clinical trials, and neutralizing antibodies can be used as a substitute indicator. This can help over 20 products get on the list, which would greatly increase vaccine outputs. This would be very useful.